dark here. Just to hide that area underneath. And then I'm grabbing the towel. I'm gonna put like one finger here. You really get into that, and now it's starting to look like a lens.
Dude, I was holding your paper for you, and now my hand's covered in charcoal.
I have some hand sanitizer. See? And now I want to get this area here and darken this up.
Aren't the eyes supposed to be yellow for traditional gas masks?
Yeah, but this is a black and white piece.
But
So,
then wouldn't the yellow be lighter? Like the eye on the
well,
left?
that's what the white ink's going to be for. I'm going to use white ink to highlight.
So what's that supposed to be?
This is just the side of the gas mask.
Like what's supposed to be on it?
It's just sitting on the ground.
So is that supposed to be dirt or?
This down here?
No.
No, there's just dark shadows.
Doesn't look like a shadow.
Well, I'm going to put some scratch marks.
You're
on it,
at 2
too.
minutes.
I'm going to put some scratch marks on it too. It's alright, I can always edit it.
So let me know when you want me to stop recording.
Yeah. I want you to grab as much as possible.
I'm gonna watch the time too. It's 10:25.
So now, it's addition by reduction. So we're going to take away, but when we take away, it's going to add to the piece.
So what's that supposed to be?
Ready?
No, this. What's that supposed to be?
Just ink splatter. Technically, it's blood.
Yeah, you gotta censor that out. Tic Tac doesn't like that word.
And this is going to be the reflection from up here. The flag is kind of covering it, so you can kind
Flag?
of mimic. Yeah, this flag right here.
What flag is that supposed to be?
It can be any flag. It's any country that's going under a contagion. This is supposed to be like post-apocalyptic.
I didn't know they had gas masks at racing events.
Contagion?
No, I didn't know they had gas masks at racing events.
Do they?
No.
It's not a racing flag.
You said it could be any flag, so it's a checkered flag now, and that's at the racing event. So somebody died.
You're so funny.
I know I am.
I was being sarcastic.
I know.
And if you have a kneaded eraser, you can always pick up the extra charcoal by just dabbing it.
Who's dabbing it?
Just dabbing.
Dad, that's 2017.
Just dabbing
Get the pen out of your eye.
it. Yeah,
You're at 4 minutes.
it's fine. Because I can always edit it down and make.
I wonder how long it'll take before it stops recording.
I think it goes up to 30.
Jeez. Depending on storage, right?
Same thing with this eye. I'm gonna grab the rag. And now, from far away, it's starting to come out more.
Looks like Squidward. From that one episode. Also looks like a frog.
And when I do that, I try to think of a song.
Please- please don't.
I'm doing the Imperial March. Dun, 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 dun,
That's
dun,
called
dun, dun.
copyright. I wonder what time it is. 10 minutes, Dad.
That's fine.
What's that supposed to be?
Just
No,
texture.
this.
Oh, that's a cave. See?
It looks like an oven.
I'm gonna darken that up too
It looks like an oven.
with charcoal. This is a technique that I learned from my old professor, Bill DeMott. So shout out to Bill. He taught me to use ink first before putting charcoal down, and it gives it this nice depth effect.
You just gave everybody the power to look up his address now.
The what?
You just gave everybody the power to look up his address now.
What? He's a professor.
All you need is a name. Just saying.
Well, go sign up for his class. He's an amazing teacher.
You're at 7 minutes.
The what?
You're at 7 minutes.
Okay. So I'm not worried about all the detail I just lost there. 'Cause
Bruh.
that's what the magic of the eraser is.
Man.
So you take the kneaded eraser. Take the kneaded eraser, you pull it apart until
Crap.
it's nice and white.
You can't post this.
What?
Your mask and your hat. Dead people know what that is.
And then you flatten it out real nice to where it takes up a lot of the area. So we're gonna go here. In this area here where the light's coming, I'm just gonna put it down, just tap it, lift it, tap it, lift it, tap it. And it's okay if it looks like your fingerprint because that's what we want. We want it to look textured. And then back here where the clouds are coming, you can flatten it up like this and just go in one direction. Not the music group. And there you go.
Alright, you done?
Yep.